Hello everyone, and welcome to the social channel of Soatab, the world's leader in numerical controlled plasma, laser, oxyfuel, and water jet cutting machines, as well as large heavy-duty bandsaws. Today's focus is on the Fiberline S model, the latest innovation in the Soatab LaserTech family with cutting-edge fiber laser technology. The Fiberline S has a smooth pallet changer with hydraulic lifting, which allows the automatic movement of two shuttle tables. The first shuttle is inside the work zone and used during the cutting operation, while the second shuttle is outside the cabinet's safety enclosure to facilitate easy unloading of the cut parts and then the loading of the next plate to be processed. The operator has side access to the Fiberline S work zone through a retractable sliding panel for convenient routine maintenance or for technical intervention. The Fiberline S is designed and built for handling large formats. In the 10-foot by 20-foot size table, the weight capacity is 4 tons and the pallet change cycle is 80 seconds. In the larger 40-foot long system, the weight capacity is 8 tons and the pallet change cycle is 120 seconds. Each rail of the left and right longitudinal axis is equipped with double linear guides with precision roller bearing blocks for a fluid and precise high-speed movement of the gantry. On each axis, in both longitudinal and transverse directions, the gearboxes are housed in a floating device to automatically recover any backlash between the pinion and the rack, giving precise positioning. This system guarantees dynamic accuracy in the movement of the gantry, ensuring that it is free of vibrations. For more complex cuts, Soatab's 5-axis bevel head is a popular option. All of the axes are lubricated by an automatic oiling system, with the flow management totally controlled through the CNC. Medium to high-powered fiber laser sources from 4 up to 15 kilowatts are combined with Fiberline S and customized for each individual cutting need. With unparalleled mechanical and electronic design expertise, a high level of technological know-how, combined with our in-house capacity for the construction and fabrication of large steel structures, all make Soatab unique in this market sector and a leader in laser cutting solutions.